Welcome to Economy in 2 Minutes. Today we are going to talk about Senegal and its economy. Senegal is a dynamic country in West Africa, offering numerous investment opportunities. Its economy is booming, with several key sectors to consider. Agriculture is an important sector, with crops such as peanuts, rice, and millet. Tourism is also growing, providing investment opportunities in hotels, tourism infrastructure, and related services. Manufacturing industries, including agricultural processing, are promising. Financial services, renewable energy, information and communication technologies, and infrastructure are also areas to explore. Mining, the fishing industry, and aquaculture are also sectors of interest. Senegal offers an environment conducive to investments for ambitious entrepreneurs. So if you're ambitious, go ahead and try the adventure. Otherwise, let's meet again soon in another section on Saving in 2 Minutes.